What's the meaning of cornflower? Cornflower. Cornflower.
Cornflower. Cornflower. Cornflower is a plant with blue-gray flowers that grow in clusters on tall stems. It is also known as bachelor's button due to its use as a boutonniere for young men attending formal events. The name cornflower may have originated from the plant's association with cornfields, as it was often found growing among the crops. In addition to its aesthetic appeal, cornflower has been used for various medicinal purposes, including as a treatment for eye diseases and digestive issues. In modern times, it is primarily grown as an ornamental plant in gardens and to attract pollinators.